आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ।
चलो स्टार्ट करो।
Hello everyone, myself Aditya Raj here with my group member Madhurendra, presenting on topic traffic jam detection using digital image processing technique. Next slide. Introduction. Our project. So basically, our project is traffic jam detection using digital image processing technique. In this, it is utilized to identify Greek lock at Sunset utilizing an innovative called the digital image processing traffic system. Traffic system is the heart of civilized world and development in many aspects of life relies on it. Excessive number of traffic on the road and improper control of that traffic create traffic jam. In our project, basically there are three essential segments. First one is image grabbing from the camera, processing of the picture, store the ready instrument. Next slide. This slide is about the its technology and methodology used. In the primitive traffic jam detection system, all the vehicle appear differently under various lighting condition and climate condition. Hence, it is big problem for the current system to identify the traffic easy on the highway or street road. So, in the project, we try to develop a feature-based tracking system for detecting vehicle under these challenges. Instead of tracking entire vehicle feature are tracked to make the system easily identify the traffic, so they provide more traffic information. Combine both surveillance and traffic control technology. They are easy to install and are scalable with progress in image processing techniques. So basically, traffic system are designed and urban planning can be very efficiency by basing them on static taken from computer aided traffic system. And now remaining part will explain by my friend Madhurendra.
थैंक यू आदित्य। इनोवेटिव concept. Technology can be used to track normal circular transmission, including the positional data. It will be provide an accurate picture of all cell phone users. Provides an excellent real-time pictures of all vehicles processing transponders. When working correctly, the system automatically updates in the inform travelers of accident and other incident that could potential affective their progress. The system could the suggestion alternate routes. Limitations. All the existing system try to use a manually method or some physical medium identify the traffic on the roads. There is no accurate result by using primitive methods. And there is no concept to identify the traffic on road based on digital image processing. All the existing system fail to find the traffic due to various limitation condition in the climate condition. Next, conclusion. In the proposed application, we finally come to the conclusion that we proposed system can able to detect the jam based on the image which we collect from traffic locations, data which we related to heavy traffic and no traffic and collected and it in the proposed application. थैंक यू। आदित्य एक बार इमेज दिखाओ, कैमरा ऑन करो। कैमरा
on. Recording बंद करो।